welcome to Normal Girl Vlogs 002. So today I am just showing you my after work routine. I have a tendency to make up my bed at the end of the day because I have to go to sleep with a made bed. Now my bed can be unmade all day. It really doesn't bother me, but by the end of the day I'm going to make up my bed. So this is just me showing you guys what I'm doing after work on this particular day. I started off with making my bed. So this is just me showing you my bed routine, I guess. The pink cover I have underneath is because I have to have an extra cover on my bed. I cannot stand being cold. But yeah, this is just me making up my bed, and I'll see y'all at task number 2. Okay, so clearly I couldn't make up my mind about the arrangement of these pillows. So you'll see me rearranging these pillows like 3 times. Yeah, my mind was all over the place after work. Laundry at the end of the day is never fun. Can't you tell I would rather be doing something else right now? Okay, so I'm actually doing some peak adulting today. Y'all see I'm folding up the fresh laundry that just came out the dryer, folding the clothes up, hanging the clothes up, and putting them up in the same day. Peak adulting, if you ask me. I have a question. I'm just wondering if y'all mind work how mine work. When y'all folding up clothes, do y'all fold up in piles? Like, y'all can see me folding up my t-shirts, and then I'm putting my shorts, like pajama shorts, in one category, and then the pajama dresses and stuff in another category. Like, do y'all categorize y'all clothes when y'all folding up y'all laundry?
Y'all, I'm out of breath for carrying that big ass bag of clothes. The bag done bust. Oh Jesus, y'all. But I hope somebody's family is blessed with these clothes. Hold on. Let me turn that back on. Shit, I'm out of breath. How I do this? Okay. I hope somebody's family is blessed with these clothes. I hope they go to a good home. One of my prom dresses in here. It was time to let go. So I'm about to go down to these clothes right now. Then I'm gonna go get something to eat. I hope y'all enjoying these normal girl vlogs, because it's just me being me, doing the things that I do every day. Every day is not glitz and glamour. Every day is not unboxing. Every day is just every day, and it's a different thing that comes with every day. Surprisingly, today I'm leaving the house after work. Normally I just get in my bed, watch some YouTube, but that's what I've been doing lately, watching a lot of YouTube. Like, I have been expanding the content that I've been watching, and that's what's inspiring me to, you know, switch up my content on my channel, be authentically me, you know what I'm saying? See, my hair ain't done. I got on leggings, socks, slide, And I'm just now leaving my house at 6:44. So yeah. Oh, I got a phone call, a business phone call that I need to return. So let's do that. Let's do that.
Your message.
She ain't answer. So I'm about to go get me something to eat. No, first I'm about to take these clothes to the donation box. Then I'm gonna get me something to eat. So I'm just waiting on the girl to call me back, cause there's money involved. So I'll hit y'all back later. I'm not sure yet. It's working. Yeah. Gas high as hell, y'all. $6. Huh. Y'all, we in Kohl's doing the Amazon drop-off because I want my money back. I want my money back. I haven't been in this store in ages. Oh, y'all want cute family pajama sets? They in Kohl's. So let me just drop this stuff off so I can go to Goodwill. And if anybody shop at Kohl's, y'all better skin this little $5 off Kohl's cash. I don't shop in here, but if y'all need it, but if y'all do, I got y'all $5.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look
It's
at
this
you,
bag right here.
something tells me that you're the kind of guy
It's
that
starting to rip.
make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but
I see a big ass bag of clothes. That's me. Give me my donation. Y'all about to judge the hell out of me for my eating choices today, but I'm at McDonald's. Yeah, I'm at the Golden Arches, and it's because I have been craving a hot, buttery double cheeseburger meal, and I feel like I need to get all my trash eaten out, because you know my 20s by the end, so I'm about to use that excuse as everything. Get all of my trash eaten out, because I'm not doing this when I turn 30. Like, I'm not McDonald's. This our last wrap. This our last wrap, dog. I done had birthday parties with you. I done got your birthday magazines in the mail every year. I should have been stopped messing with Ronald, because he cut his whole gang off. But sometimes you can't take the gang with you, so I get it. But yeah, this way it stop it. I just gotta satisfy my craving, y'all. Judge your mama, don't judge me. But we at McDonald's right now, and I wish I could tell y'all that this is the only thing I'm gonna eat, but I want pizza from Marco's. Like I said, you know, my homegirl in town. So when my homegirl in town, I eat whatever my homegirl tell me to eat. Because why restrict her and she going through pain? You know what I'm saying? If you was going through pain, you wouldn't want somebody to tell you that you can't have what you want. So why would I do that to my homegirl? Exactly. She gonna get what she want. Yeah. Well, I'm about to order my food. And I'm definitely getting my Marco's, my pizza. I'm vlogging on my phone.
McDonald's, what would you like?
Can I get a number 7?
And number 7, 2 double cheese and a large fry. And then number 7, what else for you?
And Sprite.
What else for you?
That's it.
First one, thank you.
Thank you. You know you gotta roll the window up when you talking shit. Shawty up here giving Chick-fil-A service at McDonald's and I ain't mad at it. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna have like a little car chat today because I just want to be outside since I've been in the house literally since Friday. It's now Wednesday, so I kind of want to sit outside, suck up some air before I go in the house and start my night routine. Y'all know I went to Marco's. If y'all thought I was gonna be eating McDonald's on camera, y'all crazy. But here's the evidence of the McDonald's Sprite. But yeah, so I have a story time I want to tell, and it's a very juicy story time. Cause y'all know I keep telling y'all I'm about to be 30, and my 20s were very ghetto, so I want to like get some of this stuff out. And it's one particular thing that happened with my high school sweetheart. If you know me, you know who I'm talking about, and the situation that I'm probably talking about. But I have to make sure I tell this story using the correct terms because it can go left. Y'all, this is what my pizza look like. Yeah, so we just having a car talk, chilling, eating pizza in the car. But the story can go left, and I don't really want to go left. But shit, it's something that happened in my life, and it's kind of like one of every girl's worst fears. But I really want to tell it, and I got receipts. Y'all. So should I tell this story time? Should I do it? I've been thinking about it for like the past 2 weeks. I really want to tell it because it was something really crazy. Really crazy. And he got caught on camera. So should I tell the story time now? I think I'm gonna tell it. Tune in the next couple days. Tune in. But yeah, y'all, this just been my after work routine for today. I had a basket full of laundry. It was either let that basket full of laundry sit there for next couple days, or dump it out and attempt to act like I was gonna fold them up and hang them up and sleep with them on my bed, or we was gonna actually do the dang on thing and fold them up and hang the stuff up. And that's what I did. I'm trying to be more intentional with my life and doing the things that I know I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Like pay my credit card bill off. I just paid my credit card bill off. It wasn't that much, but I paid it off. I don't owe Capital One. Credit score went up 27 points. Shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Stuff that I know I need to be doing. Trying to save up to get a house. So we can't mess the credit score up. Keep it going. Keep it going. What else? You know, little stuff like, it's a cat climbing up these stairs by my house. If y'all know me for real, y'all know I don't like cats. But like I said, I'm trying to be more intentional with my life. If I put something up, when I use it again, put it back in the same spot. If I put something down, pick it up, put it in its rightful place. You know what I'm saying? Like, stop being lazy and then start actually being productive with life. I'm trying to wake up earlier. In December, I think I'm gonna start waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning and start going to the gyms early, because I was watching my first normal girl vlog, and baby, I am auntie thick. Like, I'm auntie thick. I have the butt, the thighs, the hips, the gut, the tits, the arms, baby. I look like somebody's auntie, and I don't want to look like nobody's auntie because I don't have no nephews and nieces. I'm somebody's godmama, but I'm nobody's auntie, okay? So I don't want to look like nobody's auntie. I'm about to be 30, so I'm stepping into a new beat. You know what I'm saying? Stepping to a new beat. So I want to look good. I feel good. I just want to look good. So I have to implement some kind of routine. So, that's why I wanted to start these normal girl vlogs, because I'm just a regular girl trying to get out here and get it in these streets of Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing regular shit. And I hope I'm relatable to somebody, because I feel like I'm very relatable. Like, it's a stepping stone to life, and this is my journey. So I'm documenting my journey on camera, so y'all can follow me along my journey and see my growth. You know what I'm saying? It's for me personally, because I like to watch my own vlogs and look back at my own memories. But for somebody else to be able to look at my story and relate to me in some kind of way, that's a goal too. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come chit chat a little bit, explain what the normal girl vlogs are, just my everyday life without the glitz and the glamour. This is my everyday life. I cook, I clean, I might, like I said, watch Harry Potter 20 times, or I'm in the streets, because I do go outside. But lately I just been in my shell, in my head, trying to figure out the things that I want to do with my life. So I've been more secluded and in my own personal space. But yeah, I hope y'all really like my vlogs, because I'm liking my own content, and I feel like this is something that I can do on a regular. So if you made it this far to the end, when I go back in the house, I'm not gonna do nothing but take a shower, wash my face, and watch some YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Y'all seen me give a little back to the community. Did some Amazon returns, because I need my coins back for the stuff that I'm not gonna use. Don't be wasteful, you guys. If you need to return it, okay? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll call y'all back.